to generate education service contracting certificates for grade 10 ESC completers. Select Tools in the navigation panel. Then click Generate ESC Certificate for grade 10 completers. Select the school year. The system will display in separate tabs the regular grade 10 ESC completers and the accelerated ESC completers. Click Generate Certificate to download the certificate in PDF format. The status of the grantee should be completer to enable this function. For ESC grantees whose status has not been updated, select completer in the year-end status then click Save.